Okay, since now we're stuck inside until the 27th because of panic. Panic! Do you have something to say, baby?
The harvest is in your hands.
Do you have something to say?
But you're perfect tomato.
You got something to say?
We're bunny plants. We use veggies and herbs that are
Say
right
it.
for your garden.
Yeah? Is that how you feel about it?
From a bunny plant farm.
Yeah.
We've been doing it like this for over 100 years. It's our passion.
Getting all my nice clean laundry. Oh. Do you have more thoughts? What do you want to say, baby? Oh, sneeze. What do you want to say? Get out of my snacks. Cat tore apart my face brush. You did. I'm gonna blame it on you. You probably didn't. What do you want, baby? What do you want to do? Say it. Yeah, announcements. Hold on. We gotta wake the bunny up. Good morning, Bun Bun. Oops. There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Do you? Look at that. Hi. Hi. What are you up to, buddy? What are you up to? Look at you. Don't even eat any of your barley. What's going on with you? I'm just gonna let you be free. It's like I haven't been free in so long. Come on, Ghosty. Come on. There we are. Freedom. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is all this, huh? Do you not eat your barley? There's so much barley for you to eat. And you don't. You don't eat your barley. Eat this barley. Eat it. Eat the barley. He don't like the barley. Give me some more water. And there's baby. Oh, are you guys gonna get him? There. A little bit of water. Put that up there. Wow, what are you guys doing? You guys doing? Yeah. He's a good bunny. He's a good bunny. Baby. Hey. Gentle. Baby, look at me. Hey, over here. Gentle. Gentle. Yeah. And we all eat carrots together. Yeah. Anyways, let's go downstairs. Come on. Let's go potty. Back up. Figure it out. Okay, go. All right. Say goodbye.